welcome back to Maria's This show. And today I have a new video for you, as you can see, because I have my phone on. My cousin Brianna's videotaping. As you can see her, she doesn't want to get on YouTube. And today we have so many videos going on right now too. My phone on. I'm shot! What? That's it. You oh my god. I'm shot! I'm being shot by a burrito. Allah, dude, that was pretty. Did you see it?
Yes, I got it.
Dude, I was freaking out grass all over me. Shit. Now we're in the dark. I don't know why. It's pretty. I got it for. See, we're missing everything. Okay, let's go back. Come on. Let me pause it and y'all can be there in 1 second. Ready? Up. Hey guys, as you can see that right now we got that going because that one popped. But right now we're in the back because I'm scared. I don't know. Guys, he has a YouTube channel. I think that's what he said. So. And let's go. Hello. Okay, guys. So we just heard another one, but we're tuning in. Fancy DM. I could do 3 cartwheels. About time. Here, Boomba.
You can't see it that far.
Oh, I popped my leg. What was that? See, look at all these people here, guys. What are you doing? Okay, guys, so you can see all these people here. Hello. All over there. It's so boring, guys. This kid is just whining for NCD. Hey guys, I'm gonna post this. That's my dad, dude. It's my dad. He's just using my BMX, man. He's using my BMX. Made slime and it worked, but then when we put like one little piece of salt, like it came to become watery. I'm like, what the heck? So I'm leaving mine in the freezer for right now, for a while. It's already been like 5 minutes in the water, so yep. We see you in a little bit. Oh, okay. Peace. Please don't look at my BMX. Why look at my BMX? OMG, guys, so good to lay down. Look, guys. Y'all gonna see a mess on this table because we are doing slime on here. These two were the ones we did. We did a race on these two. Brianna, there's a race on these two. Okay, guys, let me flip y'all around. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Sorry guys, my camera. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. There you go. Which one do you want to spin? Are you begin to? Okay. Are you marked, set, go? I think the green one's gonna win. Maria, look at my brother, my dad. Why? He's doing tricks. I wanna see. Okay, guys. Daddy, do tricks. Okay, guys. He's gonna. Allah, guys, you gotta. Push him! Do an ollie. This is that kid with some training wheels. He's learning how to ride bike. So.
I ain't lying.
She's my best, guys. I love her so much. She subscribed and she liked. Oh shoot. Bye guys.
There's the
These are awesome.
yellow one. Because the thing is, they asked for the white.
Okay, guys, that's all for today, guys. That's all for today. I'll see y'all guys later. Comment down below. Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah. Let me see. Let me see, Ethan.
Wait, it's down in the sofa. Looking down.
No, this one doesn't glow. Guys, this is a regular one.
Down in the sofa.
I like when it does that. Let me see it. Give me it. I like this because it's a bright color.
Yeah, okay.
Comment down below, guys, which is your favorite, guys. That's gonna be all for today, guys. Hope you like. Please subscribe. As you already know, guys. I love you guys so much, guys. I love all your support, guys. Bye. Shh. Peace.